Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the Bevel modifier. Okay, so we are going to talk about Bevel modifier. Let's go have Shift A and go for, let me open the shortcuts, Shift A, and I'm going to put a cube here. So I am scaling this cube in Z axis like this. And when I'm going here, I'm going to add a modifier here. I'm selecting this and I'm going to modifier and I'm going to bevel. What's this bevel? I have bevel, amount of it. I can change the amount of it like this. And what is the segments? You can have the segments. You see, you can have it like this, the segment. And what's the profile? You can make it like this or make it like this, or put it on 0.5, okay, like this. And you can shade smooth it like this. And let us move this one here and Shift A and cube. Let's put another bevel, and you can see that again we can do same thing like this. And let us go to the profile like this. You can change it, or you can change it from here, but we don't go to here, we will go with the super ellipse. Okay, so let's shade smooth auto it, shade auto smooth. Okay, I hope this video was helpful and see you in the next video. Goodbye.